Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, go to search bar and type your control panel and then click here to open it. Now select the view by as large icons and just scroll down. Click on sound. Once you are here, we need to go to recordings and right click on the microphone. Simply right click on the microphone, go to its properties. Once we are here, we need to go to the levels tab and make sure you have to keep this up to the 100% and put this up to the plus 10.nod dB and click on apply and then OK. Once done, simply go to the device manager, simply right click on the start icon on the desktop, go to the device manager, expand audio inputs and outputs, right click on the microphone, go to its properties, select drivers tab and click on update driver. Select the first option and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close the windows, again expand the sound, video and game controllers, right click on the high definition audio device, open its properties, go to its drivers tab, select update drivers and select the search automatically for drivers. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection and then the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close all windows one by one and simply restart your system. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue and you're good to go.